Dear students, in continuation of parts, a rearrangement reaction as a part of MSc Organic Chemistry. OC Organic Chemistry. Here we are discussing the part of the new topic, that is the rearrangement. If we are having the starting reactor molecule is what? Vicinal diol. Vicinal diol. This react with acidic condition. The condition of this reaction is acid. What is the product? सबसे पहले हम इसका मैकेनिज्म करेंगे. Starting reactor molecule is the diol. This is the vicinal diol. It must be vicinal diol. The starting reactor molecule vicinal diol is condition, reaction condition acidic condition H plus. As we are having this is what? Vicinal diol. This oxygen contains the lone pair of electrons having tendency to take the proton from the acid, and it becomes to what? It becomes to what? Here, good living group. After abstraction of the proton from the acid, the poor living group convert into the good living group. Loss of water molecule minus H2O. Then what happens? This formation of what? Carbocation species. Formation of what? Carbocation species. If you are in these types of the reactor molecule, methyl and methyl is here, again methyl is here, again methyl is here, one of the methyl is here, methyl. Formation of what? Tertiary carbocation. Here, formation of tertiary carbocation. What about next step? This is a minus H plus, as you can say, minus H plus followed by 1,2 shifting. How? This OH bond is shifted toward the OC, and this is at the time this methyl group is shifted to carbon, first carbon to second carbon. Means what? 1,2 shifting is takes place. 1,2 shifting is takes place, and then formation of what? This carbon having this 2 methyl, it arises the 3 methyl again. It is first of all this 2 methyl group. After shifting of the 1 methyl from this carbon to carbon, then formation of this carbon which goes to the formation of O, and this is the CH3 group. So this is the ketone, and this ketone is known as what? Pinacolon. So starting reactant molecules, it is what? A pinacolon. Pinacol. So this pinacol as a reactant molecule to the pinacolon. So these types of the reactant, it is known as the pinacol. It is called as what? Pinacol. See, it convert into what? These types of the product is formed. This CH3, this is known as pinacol. So what is the IUPAC name? This is called as 3,3-dimethyl. 3,3-dimethyl butanone. So this is called as butanone. This is a starting reactant molecule, that is what? A pinacol and 2 pinacolon. That's why these types of the rearrangement is called as pinacolon. This is called as pinacolon rearrangement. इसको pinacolon rearrangement कहा जाता है. What is the application? What is the mechanism? First step, after abstraction of the product, it goes converted into good living group. In the second step, what about 1,2 shifting is in second step, loss of water molecule and generation of the carbocation. In the third step of mechanism, this is the 1,2 shifting is takes place after loss of H plus. First step में हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया था? Addition किया था H plus का. Last step में हमें इसको क्या करना है? Eliminate करना है. So that's why we call this is the elimination from here H plus, and after along with what? 1,2 shifting, pinacol to pinacolon. Such types of the rearrangement is known as what? As the name on the basis of the reactant and what? product, it is called as pinacolon rearrangement. How the question is asked in a computer exam, that is net, set and gate, as well as your UGC exam. So that is we call the MSc second year, second semester. How the question is asked, you should have to provide, this is the OH hydroxy group, this one is the pH, this one is the pH. Whatever, it is react in presence of H plus acidic condition. Whatever, there is formation of what? This carbon, it is converted into. So here this methyl group is shifted, not phenyl. Here the shifting is takes place. Methyl not phenyl, ethyl not phenyl, hydrogen not phenyl. ऐसे ग्रुप यहाँ पे हमें शिफ्ट करना है. So this is the pH. We are having this carbon atoms is goes to formation of this is a pH group must be here, and this is the CH3 atoms. This one is the pH and this one is the CH3 atom. This is called as one of the types of the rearrangement. So not only in the acyclic but also in cyclic compound also it can having this water. This is the hydroxy group and this one is the hydroxy. Whatever, there is formation of what? There is a formation of what? A 5-member ring is there. So there is formation of what? C double bond O and H is here. If we are in this starting reactant molecules again, these types of the reactant, that is OH, methyl group, hydroxy and hydroxy is here. So whatever the reaction condition, acidic condition H plus we can take. So whatever the product of molecules, that is it converted into the 5-member. So this 6-member is converted to the 5-member. There is formation of what? This is the what we can say this C double bond O, CH3. It is what? C double bond O CH3. This one is the CH3. How many carbon? 6 carbon, 7, 8 carbon, 5, 6, 7 and 8 carbon. It is again what? It is most important. Number of carbon atom in reactor and product must be similar. Reactor में जितने कार्बन होंगे उतने कार्बन प्रोडक्ट में यहाँ पे होते हैं. So this is the part of rearrangement. As you can see, this is one of the pinacolon rearrangement, and this is an application of pinacolon rearrangement reaction.